Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the three components the press needs: a fruit, a protein, and a filler. Once done, approach the machine and make sure it's unlocked and powered. Open your inventory and place each item into one of the three input slots. The order doesn't matter for most recipes, but placement affects output quality for special blends. You do this to initiate the pressing sequence and to let the game register ingredient types before you move to the next step. Next, you choose the desired recipe in the press interface and confirm what the preview shows. This explains what your pet will eat and any bonus effects. Then adjust the cycle length. Short cycles are faster but yield lower quality, while long cycles improve output. Make sure to add coins or energy tokens if the press asks for payment. This is necessary for machines that gate higher-tier recipes. Once you confirm settings, start the cycle and watch the progress bar to ensure it runs correctly. When the bar hits 100%, tap Collect to retrieve the created food. You'll see the item in your inventory and can feed it to your pet immediately. If nothing appears, first reopen the press UI and verify ingredients were consumed and the recipe matched what you intended. If the progress freezes, stop and restart the cycle or relog to refresh the server state. Make sure your connection is stable. If issues continue after these steps, report the bug with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.